Can I have your attention, please? This is your party public announcer. Isn't it time for something new? Ladies and gentlemen, are you tired of going to the same parties? Are you tired of the same lineups? Are you tired of picking up the flyer and saying, as a matter of fact, screaming?
If you're looking for something different and fresh, you've come to the right place. Saturday, January 29th, the Alliance presents to you a big bash, a lineup you haven't seen in a very long time, all together on the same stage. This is definitely a can't miss event. Yeah, it's going down. In the building, we got Djakout #1 with a fresh new album that's still buzzing in the streets. We got Harmonik, and with a new album coming out soon, who knows, they might just test some new material. And last but not least, we have Kreyol with a brand new album, Evolution, that has the streets in a frenzy. It's crazy, people. Intermission will be by DJ Stacks of High Profile Team HKNY. Tickets are $30 in advance. If you're celebrating your birthday, you get in free, but you gotta have proper ID. The choice is simple. January 29th, all roads lead to Club Amazura. New lineup, new music, new excitement. You can party with us or spend the night screaming.
And last but not least, we hear there is a virus in New York City that poses no real threat, but make sure you take your antiviral shot.